Hello Kalmar, and I am here on this wonderful open sea beach. Actually it is just a jetty and steps into the water on this promenade that's overlooking the symbol of Kalmar, which is Kalmar Slott, the Kalmar fortress that I'm gonna visit later. That's one of the most symbolic fortresses in Sweden, as it was a key symbol during the Kalmar Union, where Sweden, Norway and Denmark were included, and that ceased to exist in 1523. And that was the day on the 6th of June when we celebrated in Sweden the Swedish National Day. And basically last year we had 500 years of Swedish independence in 2023. So yeah, it was amazing to celebrate that last year. It is a bit windy. Now we have some clouds in the air, but that's gonna be still a nice swim in the sea. So I have already measured, and it is 19 degrees Celsius in the sea, and we have in the air 22 degrees Celsius, but the wind makes it to be a bit colder indeed. And here on the other side we can see industrial area of Kalmar, and some cars passing by. And actually, to be fair, the Kalmar Kallbadhus was it was 100 meters away from here, but it was locked with a code. I'm not sure if it's private or not. And then I saw this one over here that's open for everyone. So it is the same sea, basically. There is no difference. And there are also benches to sit on right here. Okay, so then I am stepping into this stairway cabin to the sea cabin with a view of Kalmar Slott that you can see. And the sea on this side is quite wild, so it's gonna be interesting to take a swim indeed. Look at that. That wind is wild for sure. Okay, still walking, and here we have algae on the steps, on the last 4 steps. So now I'm ready to embark into the sea cabin of the Baltic Sea with view of Kalmar Slott outside. So let's go! Amazing. So nice. I'm so happy right now. Here it is very deep, so if you swim here you need to be cautious, especially like me swimming with one hand right now. But look at the Kalmar Slott. It's amazing indeed, and we have quite a troubling sea today on this side. So yeah, quite good. So this is beach adventure number 4 for today. I already did 3 in the morning, and then I checked in a very nice hotel, the Kalmar Slott hotel. It was amazing, so I rested there and did some editing. And then I'm now ready for the second batch of beach adventuring for today. And let's see what type of beaches are in Kalmar on the other side, because yesterday I have visited the few on the north part of Kalmar, and now I'm gonna check out the south part. And starting off here with this Kalmar Kallbadhus on the promenade, with overlooking the Kalmar Slott, important fort of Sweden. So cool! Thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Kalmar on my day 2 of my vacation. So there will be a lot more episodes coming in your way. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!